So the form that we originally used, as far as the DOT form and our service inspection forms, they had took a paper form out of that and then they had put it into the app. So the form is exactly the same as we was using before. The parts description, part number, quantity of part, everything's the same. It's just on electronic version of that. It worked out very well. It's been paper for years. It's never had an electronic system. As far as in the shop, everybody picked up on it. And it helps out great. Misplaced work orders, anything of that nature. That's gone. That's in the past. It's stored in the cloud. If you need to see history, you can put your unit number in and it's there. And then one thing to help the guys is it is the same form that we used before. So nothing has changed on the form. Everything is exactly the same.